So courir is my verb to run. Okay. Courir past is kuru. Yes. The past of courir is kuru.
Kuru.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? So, je cours, bolo, je cours,
Je cours.
present tense. Elle court,
Il court.
vous courez,
Il
elle court.
court.
Past tense of courir. What is past tense? The pepe. The past tense, pepe, we have participasse. We got as pepe, participasse, pepe.
Past participle.
Repte aprema pepe, participasse is kuru. Is it clear to you? Because this is my
Yes.
past tense, and what is the formula of past tense? Either you have to use our or H family verb, the bolo. Because obviously we have to make past and then we can make a formula of our present tense. Je cours, tu as couru, il a couru, nous avons couru, vous avez couru, ils ont couru. Is it clear to you, bachon? Yes. Okay. Clear? Okay. Let's move the pattern of 1 second. Then I will show you the pic. Okay.
Un peu partout sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière. Parce que tu savais que je t'appellerais. Tu as fait le tour sans détour, patiemment de toutes les
Got my
fêtes.
screen? You got my screen? दिख रहा है आपको YouTube का screen? Okay, let's start with it.
Tu as couru un peu partout sans raison.
Tu as couru un peu partout. Partout is everywhere. Partout. Répétez après moi. Partout. Pen down, please, first line. That's how we can learn. That's how we can practice. Tu as couru un peu. बोलो un peu. लिख लिया आपने un peu. Un peu is little bit. Un peu is little bit. समझ आ रहा है आपको शेन? Shane, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Un peu. Literally meaning of un peu is little bit. Un peu. Is it clear to you? Partout. Partout is everywhere. You ran a bit everywhere. Tu as couru. So, répétez après moi. Tu as couru. Répétez après moi. Un peu partout. आपको बोलना है, you have to speak with me so that you know you ran all over the place, un peu partout. So répétez, tu as couru un peu partout. Répétez après moi. Un peu partout. Now literal meaning of un peu partout. Partout is everywhere. Un peu partout is all over the place. A little bit places. Everywhere. C'est clair? So tu as couru un peu partout. Tu as couru un peu partout. It means you ran all over the place. Is it clear to you? Yes. Pen down, please. Sans raison. Sans. Pen down, please. Sans raison. Sans is without. Pen down, please. Sans. Sans raison. Traîneau. Sans raison. Traîneau. Mon nom. Pen down, please. Mon nom. For no reason, traîneau is dragging my name. You know, drag karna. Drag karna. Traîneau. Traîneau. Mon nom. Pen down, please. Traîneau, we have drag. Dragging. Dragging. Mo is my. Mo is my. No is name. Is it clear to you? समझ आ रहा है बच्चों? Pen down, please. Dans la poussière. Répétez après moi. Dans la poussière. Poussière, we have dust. Poussière. Poussière, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre dust. Yes. Ranveer, is it clear to you? Shane, is it clear to you? Jay, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So bolo, tu as couru un peu partout. Répétez après moi. Sans raison, without reason, traînant mon nom dans la poussière. For no reason, dragging my name in the dust. मतलब आप इसको जैसे blame करते हो कि मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है. Without any reason, you are dragging my name in the poussière. Say Claire. Sense समझ आया बच्चों आपको? So, répétez après, tu as couru un peu partout, sans raison, traîne mon nom dans la poussière. Parce que, what is parce que? Because. What is parce que? Which is because. Because. What is tu savais? Now, Ranveer, tell me, what is tu savais? Ranveer, you there? Hello, Ranveer. Ranveer, you are mute, I think. Ranveer, can you hear me? Okay,
Yeah.
I will tell you what is Save. Anyone can tell me what is Save? Choose Save.
Is to tell or
We have verb savoir. Savoir is a verb to know. रणवीर किया था ना कल, अगर आपने देखा हो बड़ा सेशन, उसमें savoir verb था हमारा. If you yes, I want you to practice like anything. Savoir is a verb.
okay.
Clear? So what is the formula
Yes.
of savoir verb in terms of present tense? Ranveer and I forgot your name, Mahavir. Okay. So the formula of savoir verb is in present.
Tu sais, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, elles savent.
Nous savons, vous savez, elles savent. Is it clear to you? Clear? The past of savoir is su. You have to understand savoir pepe. The past of savoir is su. Say Claire. The past of savoir is su. If I will say I knew, so I have to use our present tense. What is the formula of past tense? I have to use our present tense. Je suis. Tu as su. Say Claire. Elle a su. Nous avons su. Vous avez, say Claire. Is it clear to you? Ranveer, Shane, is it clear to you, bache? Hello, Shane, bache.
Yes, sir.
Claire, just you have to understand now that you have to understand exact no. The way roughly ratios, you have to learn the thing. Savoir pepe is su. Now, what is save? Over here, in the video is mentioning over here, save, S-A-V-A-I-S. Now, team, we already have done lem parfait. Mahavir, I will explain to you what is lem parfait basically. Lem parfait is my past continuous tense. This is a journey of TEF, wherein you will not learn you learn entire pattern, but in terms of intensive. C'est clair? D'accord? Now, lem parfait, what is lem parfait? Obviously, you will learn concept is intensive, but you will understand the entire content. Okay? In order to make lem parfait, one thing you have to understand, we have to do the conjugation with present tense.
No.
Now we have to take the help of new conjugation present tense. Bolo, repeat after me. In order to make lem parfait, I have to take the help of new conjugation present tense. Now what is new conjugation present tense? Savo? Claire? Now, what is the formula of lem parfait which you have to learn? The formula of lem parfait. Repeat after me. AIS, AIS, AIT. Formula of lem parfait is AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Basically, this is the formula of lem parfait. What is the formula of lem parfait? AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Tell me, please. If I asked you, see, par exemple, je vous pose la question ici, je vous pose la formulaire de lem parfait. If I asked you the formula of lem parfait, What is the formula of lamp parfait? AIS, AIS, AIT, IEZ, AIENT. Say Claire. D'accord. मैं इसी you have to eliminate O and S from the end by default. Savon, no conjugation, ONS ending, you have to do the way supreme. Repte après moi, mes sath bolo. Je toi, repte après moi. Je toi, supreme. Supreme is the verb to delete. I have to, you know, Mahavir, the word verb je toi, tu toi. I have to delete O and S from the end. So what you left with SAV? So then we can say je savais, AIS ending. Tu savais, because I left with SAV, say Claire. Is it clear to you? This is my past continuous tense. Whenever you're saying I was doing and I used to do is lamp parfait. Say Claire bachon. Make it out. Nous savions, vous saviez, il savait. Is it clear to you, Mahavir? Yes, sir. So if I asked you what the formula of lamp parfait is, just you have to make no conjugation. देखो, in a normal program, that lamp parfait you come to in the next 60-70 days. But you came to know right now because this is a workshop training. And definitely this workshop training help you everywhere, anywhere. Is it clear, Mahavir? Yes, sir. So we'll do a lot of pattern in terms of tense and you will understand also. Very simple. Savoir, savon, ONS, remove, AIS, AIT, IMS, IZ, AIET. Say Claire? Yes. Let's move to the pattern of again the video which we are doing. Parce tu savais. Because you used to know, maybe you were knowing. Tu savais. Say Claire.
Claire.
Tu savais, say Claire. Claire. Parce que tu savais, répétez après moi. Parce que tu savais.
Tu savais.
Is it clear to you? Que je t'appellerai. Yes. बताओ रणवीर आपने ऑलरेडी मेरे साथ ये वाला पैटर्न किया हुआ है. Que je t'appellerai. What is RAIS? Now, Mahavir, you will learn a lot of things today.
Future.
Yes,
Would.
Conditional. Would. Mahavir is very simple. Lamp parfait ending is what? AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AINT. The moment you will insert R with lamp parfait, RAIS. Clear? It is just you have to insert R with lamp parfait ending. Is it clear to you, Mahavir? Yes, sir. This would be your conditional, which is would. Would. I would know. Say Claire. Yes. You know lamp parfait ending? Bolo fir. Tell me what is lamp parfait ending, bachcho? IEZ. If you will insert, if you will add on R with lamp parfait ending, this is would. Is it clear to you, Sherin? Sorry. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Would.
Clear? Dekho, we have verb appeler. Appeler is my verb to call. Is it clear to you? Appeler. मैं तुझे क्या बुलाऊंगा? मैं तुझे हिंदी में, because we don't understand the term from English. What I will call you? Je, मैं, तुझे, त. Okay, is it clear to you? बुलाऊंगा. What I would call you? बुलाऊंगा. Appeler. Say Claire. Appeler. Is it to you? Tell me. वो क्या कह रहा है? Je t'appellerai. देखो. Let me take to the video. Je video मिल गया. दिख रहा है आपको? Que je t'appellerai. What I will call you. What I would call you. Que je t'appellerai. Why t'appellerai, Mahavir and all of you? Because we have two vowels over here. Yes. So whenever we have two vowels together, one will eliminate and it will like a apostrophe. Say Claire. D'accord? So that how we can learn. Je t'appellerai. So now in a half an hour time, maximum half an hour time, you came to know present, past, lamp, parfait, and would. Say Claire. Is ye Sara? See, all of you, please. The content, you understood the content of this? Tell me, please. Passe chiwakuru. If I asked you what is this form? Past tense. Passe composé, which you call as passe composé. Okay, we have tu savais, l'em parfait. Is it clear to you, Mahavir? Yes, sir. And appellerai, RAIS, which is conditional. Say Claire. Yes. All of you, is it clear to you, bachon? Ranveer?
Yes, sir.
Jay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will sing a song.
Tu as couru un peu partout sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière.
Now how you will increase your listening skills? To be honest, TEF है क्या basically? Let me tell you what is TEF. आप TEF कर रहे हो. What is TEF? Listening जो आती है आपके TEF में, आपके सेक्शन होते हैं listening में, right? लास्ट सेक्शन में आपको एक्सेंट समझना होता है. जिसमें मैं बोलूं फॉर एग्जांपल entretien, le entretien गलत है वो. मैं बोलूं l'entretien is right. So बोल रही होगी tu as l'entretien, tu as le entretien. तो आपको गेस करना है कि कौन सा सही और कौन सा गलत है. So that how you have to have a very strong pronunciation there. So we'll improve this also. Okay, so for this reason we are doing this listening also, but in this place you're not doing listening only, you're doing the grammar and you'll come to know what is the concept of the language. Say Claire. अब साथ साथ में बोलना है. पहले हम समझेंगे इसका accent, then we'll speak.
Tu as couru un peu partout sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière.
Clear? Bolo. Tu as couru un peu partout. Répétez après moi. Tu as couru un peu partout. Sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière.
Mon nom dans la poussière.
Now, how you will देखो, listening improve कर रहे हो, writing improve कर रहे हो, grammar improve कर रहे हो, and speaking. How your tongue will get used to your language, friend? Because this is a foreign language. Say what's long étrangère. Say votre langue. Répétez après moi. Boलो. C'est ma langue étrangère. Répétez après moi. Let me write it down. Répétez après moi. Ok, monsieur. C'est ma langue. Répétez après moi. C'est ma langue étrangère. Étrangère, c'est-à-dire quoi? Foreign. This is my foreign language. C'est ma langue étrangère. Ouh là là. Répétez après moi. C'est ma langue étrangère. Mais comment? Répétez après moi. Mais is but. Comment is how?
Hello.
Mais is but. And comment is how? Clear? Mais comment? J'augmente. We have verb augmenter. Répétez après moi. Augmenter is my verb to increase. Repeat after me. Augmenter. Team bolo please. Language go. Augmenter is my verb to increase. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Yes. Is it clear to you? Augmenter. So, me como augmenter. So, e-running verb. What is the formula of e-running verb? E, E-S-E. Mahavir samajh aa raha hai? Yes. O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T, present tense. So, como j'augmente. How I can increase? Como j'augmente. How I increase? Como j'augmente. Mon niveau de français. My level. Niveau. Niveau is my level. Niveau is my level. Niveau de français. Niveau de français. Français, we have French. Bolo please. Comment j'augmente? Répétez après moi. Comment j'augmente? Please repeat after me. Because augmenter is my verb to increase. Comment j'augmente mon niveau de français? Niveau is level. How I increase my level of French. Il y a des conversations. Répétez après moi. Il y a des conversations. See, team, you know what? Karna kya hai? Let me tell you French kaise, how you will increase the French. Whatever I'm saying in the campaigning, it is everything is under recording, right? And you will get a recording also. You have to repeat those phrases again and again and again. That now, for example, if I'm using 10, 11 phrases in a day in the campaigning, it is just you have to repeat. Vous devez répéter les phrases. Et exactement, vous pratiquez un peu de grammaire, exactement. C'est clair, d'accord? Il y a des conversations. Répétez après moi, monsieur. Répétez après moi, monsieur. Comment je peux? What is je peux? Ranveer, I can. Ranveer, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, I can.
Comment je peux enrichir? What is enrichir? Because I'm giving you literally 10 vocabularies. Now, you see here, you are learning directly TEF. Obviously, Mahavir, you understood the concept of this TEF? You understood the entire concept? Obviously, it will relate your journey from A1 to C1 plus TEF. Comment je peux enrichir mes connaissances? Répétez après moi. Comment je peux enrichir mes connaissances? How I can enrich my knowledge? Mes connaissances, mes compétences. Répétez après moi. Mes compétences. Compétences, we have skills. Connaissance, we have knowledge, and competence, we have skills. Is it clear to you? So, Shin, bolo. Shin, parlez s'il vous plaît. Shin, you there?
Yes, sir.
So, parlez s'il vous plaît. Choc monte mon niveau de français. Répétez après moi. Choc monte mon niveau de français.
The français.
Il y a des conversations.
Il y a des conversations.
Bolo, Shin. Il y a des conversations.
Il y a des conversations.
Matlab kya hai? There is a conversation. Ilya is literal meaning of there is and there are. Monsieur, comment je peux enrichir mes connaissances? Monsieur, how I can enrich my knowledge and my skills, mes compétences. Is it clear to you? C'est ma langue étrangère. This is my language French, language foreign language. C'est clair? D'accord? Okay. Now again, we'll move the pattern off. One second.
Tu as couru un peu partout sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière. Parce que tu savais que je t'appelle.
Is it clear to you? Tu savais que je t'appellerai. All of you, is it clear to you?
Sir, ये ट्यू है तो सर जो फर्स्ट में ट्यू है वो य ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है?
क्या कह रहे हो?
जैसे स्टार्टिंग का लिरिक्स है ना सर ट्यू.
Chiwakuru. हाँ.
तो उसमें स्टार्टिंग में य वाली साउंड नहीं आ रही सर जब बोल रही है.
नहीं, Chiwakuru. देखो. Chiwa. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Day one से आप listening का pattern भी समझोगे, right? Chiwakuru apa partu son raison. मेरे साथ बोलो. Chiwakuru apa partu son raison. Traîneau. Mon nom dans la poussière. Drag. Traîneau mon nom dans la poussière. Parce que tu savais que je t'appellerai. Shin, please explain this in English, this French. इसको translate करो please English में. Translate this thing in English. फटाफट. Shin.
Yes.
Okay. What I was saying, I forgot your name. Sonakshi, can you translate this in English?
partout means that you're running everywhere.
Very good. मतलब you ran everywhere.
You ran
Yes.
everywhere.
Very good.
Sorezo
Treno.
Trano
Mono dona poesia.
without any reason.
Without any reason.
You're dragging my name
In this dust.
Then
Parce tu savais.
Because
You were knowing. Que je t'appellerais. What I would call you. Clear हुआ शिन बच्चे?
Yes.
Shin, can you explain in English?
Sir, like you run everywhere.
Very good. You ran everywhere. Okay.
Yeah. Dragging name.
No, what is son raison, बच्चे? What is son raison? What is son? शिन आप पेन डाउन कर रहे हो बच्चे जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ सारा son raison?
हाँ जी सर वो थोड़ा वो हो रहा है सर जल्दी में ये नहीं
क्या कह रहे हो?
सर जल्दी में कुछ रह गया सर।
अच्छा वो रिकॉर्डिंग पे है इसको आप रिकॉर्डिंग देखना फिर क्लियर।
यस
सो इज विदाउट हमने लिखा था ना सो इज विदाउट लिखो सो इज विदाउट रेजो इज रीजन
यस सर विदाउट रीजन ड्रैगिंग माय नेम।
हाँ ड्रैगिंग माय नेम आगे दो ला पुजियार इज
डस्ट।
वेरी गुड पास्ट tu savais que je t'appellerais क्लियर हो रहा है?
यस सर।
Un peu partout sans raison, traînant mon nom dans la poussière. Parce que tu savais que je t'appellerais. Tu as fait.
Tu as fait. Now let me again move the pattern of my whiteboard. Now repeat after me. And Shin बच्चे हर एक चीज लिखनी है, okay? रिकॉर्डिंग भी भेजूंगा, रिकॉर्डिंग से भी देखना है, okay? Fair is my verb to do. Fair is my verb to do. Clear? What is the formula of fair verb in terms of present tense? Je fais is to I do. Yes. Shin, this is how you have to understand by heart these present forms. Is it clear to you, Shin?
Yes.
Je fais is to I do. इसका practice का नाम है. Tu fais, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, elles font. This is my present tense. So je fais is to I do, tu fais is to you do, elle fait is to he she does, nous faisons is to we do, vous faites is to you do, elles font is to they do. Is it clear to you बच्चों?
Yes.